Good morning student, welcome back to math for class 11th. Today the permutation, okay, this denoted by P. So this NPR, here this is a NPR formula. P for permutation, and N number of objects, and R with the number of trial times. Okay, so this is a formula. The NPR equal to factorial N upon factorial N minus R. This is a factorial. Okay, factorial N upon factorial N minus R. This is the formula of permutation. Right. Next theorem. Revised theorem 2. The number of permutation of an object different type. Okay, takes R at a time where repetition is allowed will be equal to n raised to r. This is formula. Okay, number of permutation object n different type, but r is the times of the object. Okay, at time taken, so that number of permutation equal to n raised to r. This formula. And theorem number 3. Theorem number 3, the number of permutation of an object where P is a object are of the same kind. P is a object are of the same kind. Okay, this same kind, and rest are all different. Rest are different. The remaining words या remaining numbers are rest. वैसे आप find out करना है, और different objects are same. P is a different. तो number of permutation equal to factorial n upon factorial p. This is formula. Okay, same kind. You know about same kind and rest. Same kind, factorial n upon factorial p. Number 3, theorem number 4. And theorem number 4, the number of permutation of n objects of n, P1, P2, P3, so on, Pk, are of different object of different kinds, and rest are all different, right? Different types. So use this formula: factorial n upon factorial p1, factorial p2, factorial p3, so on, factorial pk. Okay, revise these formulas. This formula and theorem 2, 3 and 4. Deeply revision of this formulas and theorem, and then will we start the exercise 7.3. Otherwise no solve any questions of the exercise 7.3. So now let extra or example, example number 12. Important question. N P5 equal to 42 and P3, right? First part, n is greater than 4. Okay, right. So, and by permutation rules, factorial n upon n minus 5 factorial, this will be equal to 42 and factorial n upon factorial n minus 3. Okay, 3. So factorial cut, and this cross multiply, n minus 3 factorial upon n minus 5 factorial, this will be equal to 42. This changed in the form of n minus 5. तो n minus 3 minus 1 क्या n minus 4, n minus 4 बाहर निकाल दो तो बनेगा n minus 5 factorial. Okay, on this given equal to n minus 5 factorial, this will be equal to 42. Okay, and 1 minus 5 cut, and n square minus 7 or 4 7n, and multiply of this 7 3 4 12 equal to 42. Then n square minus 7n, this multiply this side, so 30 equal to 0, 7, this factor 10 into n minus 3, 10 3 is 30. Okay, 30, 10 minus 3, so this will be equal to n equal to 10 and this plus 10 minus is opposite sign of this side, minus 3, so 3 is not valid, so therefore n equal to 10. That your answer, and your answer not valid. Okay, and same next question, this type question will be solved. Okay, focus on the this type question, an example 12 3 4. Okay, and question example number 13. Example number 13. 13 very important question. Find R 5 dot 4 P R will be equal to 6 5 P R minus 1. Okay, so use permutation rule. 5 dot factorial 4 upon factorial 4 minus R, 6 into dot factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus R plus 1, right? So this will be equal to 6 into factorial 5 upon 5 of this 6 minus R factorial. This 4 minus R, or this is a 6, so this change to 4 minus R form, and this 5 change to 4 factorial. So 5 into factorial 4 minimum value को same रहने देने का, okay, और maximum value change in the factor form. Okay, maximum को minimum बनाने का in factorial form. 6 into factorial into 5 into factorial 4, right, upon 6 में से बन गया 6 minus R, तो 5 minus, और this 5 minus R बाहर निकाल दिया तो बनेगा 4 minus R factorial. Okay, 4 minus R 4 minus कर, और 4 to 4 कर, तो 5 equal to 6 into 5 upon 6 minus R and 5 minus R. Okay, 5 से 5 cut one time, and 6 minus R and 5 minus R equal to 6. Multiply 6 5 is 30, and minus 6R minus 5R, or minus plus r square equal to 6. This r square minus 11r, 30 plus 30 minus 6 to plus 24 equal to 0. You have factor, and 12 to the 8 4 8 3 ja 8 3 is 24, 8 3 is 11. R minus 8 and R minus 3 will be equal to 0. R equal to 8 and 3. That's your answer. Okay. And solve this type questions. Okay. Command on this question. Example. All examples solved by you. And read these questions. Okay. I have given extra question. Solve 5p3. Number 1, number 2nd, and 12p4, third, np4 equal to 5p2. Find n. Okay, and then question 4p 4 dot np3 equal to np5. Find n. Okay, and np5 upon n minus 1p4 will be equal to 5 by 3. Find n. And question number 6 and 7 of exercise 7.3 only. Okay, and then after will we start off exercise 7.3. You can read and set your mind of the formula and theorem of the 7.3, and then after will we start off exercise 7.3. Okay, otherwise no problem are mostly created. Thank you.